In this question, you have to identify the correct statement. Option A, insulin acts on pancreatic cells and adipocytes. This is incorrect. Insulin primarily acts on adipocytes, muscle cells, liver cells, but it does not act on the pancreatic cells. Option B, insulin is associated with hyperglycemia. This is also incorrect. Insulin helps in lowering the blood glucose levels, and its deficiency is associated with hyperglycemia. Option C, glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis. Glucocorticoids, for example, cortisol, stimulate gluconeogenesis in the liver. That is, it's a process of producing glucose from non-carbohydrate sources, and it helps in increasing the blood glucose levels. Thus, this is the correct option. Option D, glucagon is associated with hypoglycemia. This is incorrect. Glucagon is a hormone that increases the blood glucose levels by promoting glycogenolysis as well as gluconeogenesis, leading to hyperglycemia and not hypoglycemia.